शामपुर से जालपुर।
तो 5 रुपया हम सीवर से घूम के वापस आ जाते पहले, सरकारी बस चलती थी जब।
पहले कम था, बहुत समय पहले कम था, अब बढ़ गया।
Bhopal's Nadra bus stand, a constant rush of passengers, be it morning or evening. Though there are only 40 seats in the bus, somehow nearly 70 passengers are crammed in. With no one to check, fares are charged arbitrarily. Bhagwan Das, a resident of Tikamgarh, works in a brick kiln in Bhopal. He travels to his village once a month, but just the travel costs him over 1,000 rupees. He earns 300 rupees a day, barely enough to cover his travel.
बस का किराया 520 रुपया है और हमें जाने में बहुत मतलब महीने में 1-2 बार जाते हैं, पैसा भी कम कमाते हैं और मतलब बहुत दिक्कत आती है।
अच्छा, कितना पैसा कमाते हैं आप?
300-400 रुपये कमाते हैं
दिन का। ठीक है, और कितना किराया है?
520 रुपये।
Man Singh Gaur is a regular on such buses. Travelling from Obedullah Ganj to Sehore, Man Singh recalled how fares were lower when government buses were operational.
5 रुपया हम सीवर से घूम के वापस आ जाते पहले, सरकारी बस चलती थी जब। अब जो प्राइवेट है तो लूट रही है कैसे, जितने समझ आ रहे उतने ले रहा है, सवारी खूब भर रहा है, खड़े होने का जगह नहीं है। चलना चाहिए बस है तो, सरकारी बस तो चलना चाहिए।
This situation is not limited to Bhopal. We travelled with passengers from remote areas and heard their struggles firsthand. In 2005, the Madhya Pradesh State Road Transportation Corporation was shut down, citing heavy losses. Though no official gazette notification has been issued till date. Since then, private operators have taken over and continue to violate rules and operate without proper checks. The decision to shut down the Transport Corporation was taken by then CM Babu Lal Gaur. The corporation was said to be running a loss of 756 crore rupees with liabilities amounting to 1,033 crore rupees. With 2 government buses on the roads, private buses operate freely, breaking rules and overloading passengers. Many buses operate without valid permits or fitness checks, even though the state has witnessed several major road accidents. In 2021, 54 people died in a bus accident in Siddhi. In 2023, 13 people were burned alive in a bus accident in Guna. In 2022, 13 people lost their lives in a bus accident in Dhar. Many more were injured in bus accidents in Balaghat, Pandurna and Rajghat. The government is considering restarting the public transport system, but it remains in its early stages.
लंबे समय से हम लोग इस विषय में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के निर्देश थे, उस पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और मुख्यमंत्री जी का ये मानना है कि अगर संभावना बनती है तो ग्रामीण परिवहन को शुरू किया जाना चाहिए।
Interestingly, many private buses are owned by politicians. A survey shows that more than 50% of buses belong to influential political figures. 50% of the buses are owned by prominent leaders of the BJP and Congress. 68 bus operators are former BJP MLAs and district heads. About 10 major bus operators are linked to the Congress. There are 37,276 buses registered in the Transport Department's records in the state. Of these, 19,000 belong to educational institutions, while the remaining 18,276 are passenger buses, out of which over 9,000 belong to politicians.
The roads of Madhya Pradesh are full of unregulated private buses, leaving the common people to deal with expensive and crowded rides. As government weighs its option, the biggest question remains that when will the public transport return to the roads? With camera person Abhishek Singh from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for NDTV.